Learn Hindi action verbs fast. To begin, stop, continue and
सीखना,
with.
शुरू करना,
Welcome, brave language hero. Hey, you are about to train your brain and probably confuse at least one imaginary parrot. Let's.
शुरू करना,
With a smile. Today you will meet 8 super useful Hindi action words. They help you say when to start, stop, continue, interrupt, repeat, practice, learn, and notice. In English, your key words are to begin, stop, continue, interrupt, repeat, practice, learn, and notice. In Hindi, they are
शुरू करना, रुकना, जारी रखना, बाधित करना, दोहराना, अभ्यास करना, सीखना,
and.
ध्यान देना.
Yes, that is a lot. No, you do not need to panic dramatically onto a sofa. The classroom of chaos. Picture this. You walk into a strange language school where the teacher is a serious woman, the students are sleepy, and one parrot thinks he pays tuition. This is the perfect place to learn. The teacher claps her hands and says, "Time to."
शुरू करना,
Exclamation mark quote. You sit up straight for exactly 2 seconds. Then the parrot screams, "Snack break," and the whole class tries to.
रुकना,
Learning before it has even started. The teacher points at the board. No, we.
जारी रखना,
Quote. The parrot, who is deeply committed to bad timing, begins to.
बाधित करना,
Every sentence with fake coughing. The teacher ignores him and says, "Please."
दोहराना,
After me, the class repeats the words. Again, and again, because language learning is glamorous like that. Then she says, to improve, you must.
अभ्यास करना,
If you want to.
सीखना,
You must also.
ध्यान देना.
Quote. Suddenly the parrot is quiet. Even he knows that sounded wise. Your word mission. Now let's make each word feel alive and easy to remember. You are not memorizing a list, you are collecting tiny language superpowers. To begin is.
शुरू करना,
Imagine pressing a giant green button and finally starting the thing you have been avoiding since last Tuesday. Stop is.
रुकना,
Picture a red traffic light, or your brain when someone says, "Quick grammar quiz." Continue is.
जारी रखना,
Think of keeping going even when your chair is too comfortable. Interrupt is.
बाधित करना,
This is what the parrot does. Constantly. With confidence. Repeat is.
दोहराना,
Say it again, then one more time because your memory likes snacks. Practice is.
अभ्यास करना,
This is the secret ingredient between "I forgot" and "I know this." Learn is.
सीखना,
This is your big goal, and yes, you are doing it right now. Notice is.
ध्यान देना,
This means paying attention to details, like the difference between a useful example and a parrot with opinions. Mini dialogue madness. Listen to these little scenes as if you are inside the room. They are short, funny, and sneaky because they teach you fast. Teacher, are you ready to begin? You, yes, let's.
शुरू करना,
Quote. Teacher, the bell rang. Should we stop? Parrot, yes. Teacher, no, not yet. Nobody will.
रुकना,
Quote. Student, this is difficult. Teacher, that is why you.
जारी रखना,
Quote. Teacher, please do not.
बाधित करना,
While I am speaking. Parrot, I was not interrupting. I was performing. Teacher, can you?
दोहराना,
The word slowly? You, yes, if my mouth cooperates. Coach, how do you improve? You, I.
अभ्यास करना,
Every day. Friend, do you want to?
सीखना,
Hindi? You, yes, and I also want tea. Teacher, did you?
ध्यान देना,
To the small difference? You, I do now. The panic helped. Repeat after me without dramatic collapse. This part is simple. Hear it, say it, own it. If you want, pause after each line and speak aloud. To begin.
शुरू करना,
Stop.
रुकना,
Continue.
जारी रखना,
Interrupt.
बाधित करना,
Repeat.
दोहराना,
Practice.
अभ्यास करना,
Learn.
सीखना,
Notice.
ध्यान देना,
A memory trick for each word. Your brain loves weird images, so let's give it some. The stranger the picture, the better it sticks. 4.
शुरू करना,
See a giant green start button at your front door. 4.
रुकना,
Imagine your shoes freezing to the floor at a red light. 4.
जारी रखना,
Picture a road that keeps glowing forward forever. 4.
बाधित करना,
Imagine a phone ringing right in the middle of your brilliant speech. 4.
दोहराना,
Hear an echo in the mountains saying the same word again and again. 4.
अभ्यास करना,
See yourself writing the same line until it becomes easy. 4.
सीखना,
Picture a glowing book opening in your hands. 4.
ध्यान देना,
Imagine a detective eye zooming in on one tiny clue. Quick quiz, no panic. Let's see what stuck. You answer in your head or out loud, and I will not judge your accent because I am very evolved. What is Hindi for to begin?
शुरू करना,
What is Hindi for stop?
रुकना,
What is Hindi for continue?
जारी रखना,
What is Hindi for interrupt?
बाधित करना,
What is Hindi for repeat?
दोहराना,
What is Hindi for practice?
अभ्यास करना,
What is Hindi for learn?
सीखना,
What is Hindi for notice?
ध्यान देना,
Your tiny challenge today. Now you use the words like a real learner, not a decorative potato. Try these short prompts. Say, I want to begin now. Then use.
शुरू करना,
Say, please stop here. Then use.
रुकना,
Say, please continue after the break. Then use.
जारी रखना,
Say, do not interrupt me. Then use.
बाधित करना,
Say, please repeat the word. Then use.
दोहराना,
Say, I want to practice every day. Then use.
अभ्यास करना,
Say, I want to learn Hindi. Then use.
सीखना,
Say, notice the small details. Then use.
ध्यान देना,
Friendly ending. You did it. You survived the lesson, the quiz, and the parrot. Today you practiced 8 powerful Hindi action words.
शुरू करना, रुकना, जारी रखना, बाधित करना, दोहराना, अभ्यास करना, सीखना,
And
ध्यान देना.
thank you for learning with me. Keep going, keep practicing, and do not worry if you need to.
दोहराना,
Everything tomorrow. That is how you really.
सीखना.
See you in the next chapter, and until then, keep smiling and practice a little every day.